What's up, Team Lethal fans? Mustang King in the house alongside my wingman Joe, and today we're going to be going over the all-new catback exhaust system from Thermal R&D for the 2021 UP Bronco 2.7 liter. So Joe, tell me a little bit about the system, please.
Well, to start, Jared, like you said already, it is a catback system that bolts directly up here to the OEM downpipe. So that's an awesome feature that they've thrown in. It is T304 stainless steel, mandrel bent. It comes with a couple clamps here to bolt it all together. And overall, I think it's a really awesome piece here. The welds here are super nice. Everything here seems like it's going to go together fairly well.
So what's cool about the system, again, is that you do have options. You can have the ceramic coated muffler as well as a ceramic coated 4-inch tip, as opposed to the polished tip. These are 4-inch slash cut tips. Look at that, I said it right, slash cut tips the first time. And it really looks like a nice system. Also, something else to note about it is this is the first system that we're installing on our Bronco that appears to have two mufflers on it, where the catbacks typically have a mid-muffler system and it's just straight tubing in the rear for your pipes, and the axle back that just has the muffler in the rear. This has two mufflers, one in the midsection and one at the rear. So I'm interested in hearing how it sounds. Anything else you got about Thermal R&D, Joe?
Generally, they give a really unique sound at the end of the day. I noticed that with a lot of the Thermal R&D exhausts is that they're definitely one of the more unique systems in the industry as far as their sound quality and how the sound projects itself. So overall, I'm super excited to get this onto the vehicle as well. Jared, let's go ahead and do it.
Let's go and install it. And as I usually say, my patented term, let's have a listen.
Always treat your rubber with care.
Yep, lube it up. There you go.
It's only been used 6 months. Oh.
Oh, hey, Joe.
What's up?
Not much. Just finished installing that Thermal R&D
Yes, sir.
catback system on our Bronco.
Yeah.
I think we're the first ones to get it out there.
Yes, sir.
Lethal Performance exclusive. Thank you, Thermal R&D, for sending us the system. Actually went on real nice. Replaces the factory exhaust, no problem. Simple bolt-on. And here we are taking our first ride in it. So my impressions are just cruising around slow. It's pretty subtle, quiet. There's no drone, no rattle, no anything like that. We're just cruising right now, and about 35 miles an hour. It's quiet. It's nice. So we'll get on it here a little bit from in-cab and hear how it sounds.
Yeah.
Yeah, sounds good, right?
Yeah, it's got that same growl that the OEM does, but it amplifies it.
It's a little more aggressive,
Yeah.
but subtle.
No.
It's like more like a buzz.
Yeah.
You know, like a.
Yeah. This definitely has I think, a nicer characteristic to it than a lot of the exhausts do for the Ecoboost. It's hard to make these Ecoboosts sound good, to my opinion, and I think that's a popular opinion.
I think that's, yeah, most people's opinion about it. So here we are again, just cruising around. Again, real subtle sound to it. You can definitely hear it over, again, the factory exhaust, there's almost no tone to it all. You really just hear engine noise, and that's about it. And with the aftermarket exhaust from Thermal R&D, you can actually hear exhaust now, which is nice. So I think we'll pull up over here, and we'll do a couple neutral revs and a couple pullaways and drive-bys, let you guys hear it from the outside. But I'll give it a thumbs up. 2 thumbs up, Thermal R&D.
Yeah, super solid. I like it.
Good stuff. I like it, man. Sounds great. No drone, no rattle or anything like that. Simple bolt-on exhaust system, no cutting or welding or anything like that. I think Thermal R&D did a great job on it. I like the fact that they have the option for the ceramic coated muffler as well as different tip options. Got ceramic and polished, so I'm gonna give it a thumbs up for sure, man. What do you think, Joe?
I think it's definitely one of the better sounding exhausts that we've had on the truck. It's at least my favorite. Everybody's got their own personal take on it, but you know, I've definitely like the subtleness of it. It's very nice. It's smooth, aggressive sound, and while you're cruising, it's really not that noticeable.
Exactly. Yeah, don't even notice it. I mean, that's a lot of people don't want to hear like overpowering exhaust, especially when you're in a vehicle like this where you can hear things pretty easily. You know, it's not going to overpower you while you're on the phone, on the Bluetooth, or listening to your music or anything like that. But when you get on it, you definitely hear it and notice it. 100%. So, good job, Thermal R&D. All Thermal R&D stuff is available here at lethalperformance.com. You guys have any questions or comments, please post them up and make sure to subscribe to our channel. We love you guys. And again, you can reach us at 561-753-8105 or support at lethalperformance.com. Mustang King, and I'm out.
So Jared,
take it away. We got a bogey. We got a bogey on me. Wingman, do you got me? You got me? All right. No. These come in, we have polished and also a ceramic black tip. So just going to get the reducer on here. Get the reducer up in there. And there, oh, there we go. Grab the reducer real quick. That's going to sound sick though, right? All right.
I mean, we put 12-inch tips on diesels. Why not a 5-inch tip on a Bronco?
Right. Hey, Joe. How's it going, buddy?